Let's go to Hustlers Bangkok without getting wet. Take exit 5 from Asoke BTS station. Walk to the start of the Sky Bridge. Don't take the exit stairs on your left, but keep walking straight. Walk past the Westin Grand Sukhumvit Bangkok. Terminal 21 will be right behind you on your right. Walk past Sheraton Grand Sukhumvit. When you reach the end of the skywalk, turn left. On your right, you'll have Robinsons. Take the stairs to the second floor of Times Square building. As you walk up the stairs, you can actually see Hustlers Bangkok in the basement of Times Square building. Once inside, take the stairs or the escalator to the ground floor. Exit the building and turn right.
So I'ma take everything that I want from you. Yeah, I'ma take it. So I'ma take it, I'ma take it. Yeah, I'ma take it. So I'ma take it, I'ma take it. Yeah,
And now you're ready to escape the rain at Hustlers Bangkok. Let's go and play.
Spit my team roll deep with a coach like Greg Popovich. Pop a clip to stop you quick, not even on that talking shit. Your music make me nauseous. Watch me put the game up in a coffin.